is traffic rules and regulation. If you need to right turn, this waiting for traffic sign, go right turn. Now I still are in the sign of right turn only, but the traffic light now is a 3 street. Yeah, it's a few seconds. I am right now to go, but careful because a danger from the other car.